scrapes the leg a little bit, doesn't it? Ready? There you go. Get your legs over.
Yay!
Good job. You holding on? Yeah. Whoops.
Good job, Abby.
That's good. Pull yourself up. Awesome.
Good job, Abby.
Good. Whoop. There you go.
Don't get water.
Go over the steps. Yeah, swim over the steps. There you go. Whoa.
Good job, Abby. She's doing pretty good by herself in the pool. What? Abby, don't go in the water too far.
Go around the other side. Very good. Blowing bubbles.
Who's my little fishy? Abby, be careful.
That's too much.
Don't drink the pool water.
Yeah, blow the water out. There you go. I don't know if it fit underneath there yet. I don't think so.
Hi.
Underneath there, peeking. Are you peeking at Mom?
No.
No.
Too big.
Too close.
Oops. Oops.
Going over the top?
She's so smart. She can't go under. You gotta go over.
Go over, huh? Should we go around? I'll help you go around. Here we go. Come on. Let's go around. Let's go around. Here we go. Ready? And there we go.
Whoa.
Here we go.
Hi, Abby. Look at you go. Wow. Look at you go.
Hold on.